How often have you visited a store to find your favorite toothpaste or shampoo out of stock and then had to buy a different brand? Or received a promotional email, but when you've gone to the store, you can't find the promoted product on the shelves? These negative customer experiences are just two of the many challenges that plague the retail industry, affecting brand loyalty and impacting revenue. SAP Sales Cloud for Retail Execution can help your organization solve these issues, as your sales reps and merchandisers prepare a game plan for exceptional customer experiences. You can use the cloud solution to help improve on-shelf availability, increase your return on investment, meet store compliance, and anticipate customer acceptance of new product launches. Let's take a closer look at the main features of SAP Sales Cloud for Retail Execution. Planning. It enables your sales reps to create the optimal visit route to stores based on business and marketing goals. Preparation. It helps reps prepare for their sales visits or audits with product checklists and competitor information. Reps can capture, store, and track critical information about a store, its prospects, contacts, and partners. This wealth of insight enables sales and marketing reps to evaluate which promotions to go live with. Now, on to execution. Sales reps can conduct product and competitor audits, use image recognition for shelf compliance, check promotional activities, and monitor perfect store KPIs. Reps can also efficiently capture and price orders in real time, review invoices, and collect outstanding payments in store. The analytics interface delivers in-depth insight into team activities, including time spent by reps at stores. You can track an order status, manage products, and communicate with outlier stores, offering actionable insights to help them improve. SAP Sales Cloud for Retail Execution helps you tailor and manage your consumers' entire path to purchase. By providing full visibility of their on-shelf demands, it enables your reps to react quickly to your customers' needs and wants, which in turn encourages repeat purchase and brand loyalty. With SAP Sales Cloud, you can optimize your in-store strategy and win on shelf every time.